Share voice. Say. I am a de said the wo kono. Many are jepa because they say me who say. I feel what betty ase. Said the first na me nti ase na ebi mu ya na me pa acho na me sre. Me so betty ase di nti omo yesa no. Yes se won so wa be ka ho. Na me ka ma Kennedy ene ne nkrofo na chitafo no. Omo di na chi no. Ate ase se. Won so omo de hye won madwene. They should not forget to say Dr. Mahadu Bawumia was a former vice president of Republic of Ghana. And on the Yamina was a Becca home. Sansa we no bisa no baby obisa dem mabusa me busa say Kennedy, who is he in the NPP party? Who is he? For now no position ben no hold the party ni. O manya minister boda. And I know a minister. Aha. Enti Kennedy chinchina o person ne doctor here pen me I don't get it too. Enti ase baby and Dr. Bawumia bona brabo akudu no Kennedy. Won't me man da. You can never. Won't me na sempenifo se yensi wo hene na opetu kofa ahencheche otia obi ansom woda said ye na ofo so ne ho na no Saturday epetu fa ponkodi nanim ekogina aka ya pampam de ne nsa no na nya so wonwan no we ni gina ho den e na odi we mankyere na onkai hunu se enema wo ye ni nyina no eho anim guase ne ho konko eho entanse nyina beba bebo no akasa no so Dr. Bawumia obi entibi papa we anim ase o wona ne yesa mira o Debbie untimi nka wo mo sheda Kennedy untimi nka Dr. Shefum no way na if John Mahama mponye no yonkure Dr. Bawumia John Mahama if Ghanaians are serious pa enka won go share Dr. Bawumia picture anim na won go share John Dramani Mahama anim wo ballot paper so na won fa okukromutim kotim Mahama anim so me di president said the NPP for nyame acha yade pa so mbote se obi te se doctor obi timi so camera si nanim di papa we yatem no kure ni nyame anim ne voice said the wo cast voice note to be on sakeka no and some na bi wo ha wote a asefem sometimes me hu papa na me raho hu ne pictures na me raho wo me mu say why what has he done boni be na papa we yae so opeso de ni nyansa ne nim de aboa ne man eno akeke nti osem sori tia no na sese kura no munya nkofa form sa obi ekoye campaign ehoya ekoye conference it wasn't a campaign empenifo gushia amendment a woma ye kohwe ne agi atum se we ne pese ye nyina ya agi atum se be ye ni se eno keke
Apologize to him, say, on what basis should NPP apologize to him? No person can Kasa or conference nas in what capacity? So or your wine, that will point to me. Because Yako Congress na you're paying for or more holding positions, our party your party leadership and Yako Kasa, but as at the time of Moko Congress, no, not can even on your candidate. Yeah, conference. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, conference. Not can your candidate. And I know a candidate. On your candidate. On your who do position be our party. As at now. Yeah, doctor, a former president of Ghana. That one you can't take it. You can't former vice president of Ghana. You can't take it away from him. Oh, and you know, or no, or Kasa in his capacity as a former president, and as a party leadership, because for now, or no, na you can say party no, you have a inibia, you need better anima, or no, you see, President Kufuor, a former President Kufuor, former President Akufo-Addo, if you are, I think doctor is next in the hierarchy. And you know, on candidate Abba. Yeah, not in the capacity say or a candidate. Emma so or person be a flag bearer my your party na bibisa. And you know, me share omo a me who say is about issue between intelligence and stupidity. They are trying to create a scene or issue and answer hello. What you mean? We'll be in a face me ba me man message. They are trying to create issue because they had nothing to talk about. Omoko hono na omo adwi nyina say omoko create scene e wo ho. Wo hwe the way our music started were outside. Ah, na nkomo de badge in na. Yes, unimra umumra so. This is not the first time I call conference or NPP. And I'm more calling you making it clear to you say, we are on invitation beyond, and no one can say the room. And you went there with people without credentials, and you were forcing them to. Well, you do baby. Send an hour can say no. We go for say ABR. Obama, you never sorry room. I don't think say necessary for now. The beer do no. Say Mose and Tokwana. Omo anka so omo ku omo ho. Mimi hu say doctor nkufo krada ebe abontin ebe mo audience bi because me hu so obi odi sa nkufo na ti bia ada say ni stomach kana say wagi sana me hu no because unim nyansa nka ade wo there's no say oba abontin be make noise about it say yamo wi akasa say yesi wi ni cha yesi wi na untum kan ti si ahinche o otu ba bia wo bia de ba be so ndi se emfa ho ne se doctor akasa se wo credential no se ana se wo post and se wo betima di vice obetima ye leader e wo the next election na nka we kura unku wo ho we nya asama ye se nka wo ma unku fo kura be ba abonte be kasa wo ho but you see say yes wo tan wo sen yon kwa tan so wo sen yon kwa tan ntino whatever they are doing bia no they are doing it in a say the hatred they have for doctor and no more na so di na for their stomach indeed they will do everything for their stomach me I don't see any news about it. You should allow them to go ahead with their fake news and whatever it is but still no doctor will reign me that say
Eno so kwada ne asem. Ene atem didi. Ya twe wo mo yo ha.